Good morning, folks. Yeah, Soldier's here once more with him solar system. Keep running up at the moment. Well, now, folks, you can see this one is now installing into my cabin here. You can see everything is running up. PV, battery, lightning protector. Everything is running so far good. Now this is the new system I'm over with now. Now I just received back this machine, which is the box there. Just came 2 days ago. Now you see, I do have to do some lot of changing because of the West Indies thing now. Because in the West Indies we have a lot of hurricane and lightning and all those things, and these machines you got to protect them. So now you see this unit here, as you can see, yeah, is a over voltage and under voltage protector. When the current go away in the West Indies and restore back, it give you a high peak. If it's a 240, it come with all 270 volt. If it's a 120, it come with all 250. So when you set this device for 220 volt, there is no way this machine will never turn on if it come back with a higher peak. If it come with the lower voltage, it not turn on. It have to read, and it take a couple seconds to find when the current is stabilized to the 220 volt. Then it send over the current to this machine, and this machine have an X protector in it with delay the time and check it again and then switch on. So this is what you got to do. Well, this is a surge. You know, if we have a surge on the line, it's a surge protector. It will be just chipping out. It will chip out. So it's a surge protector, and this is the main breaker. This one here is for the battery, if you want to use battery. This is a temperature sensor for this fan at the back, because I have a charge control here to put there, just like this one. So now this one is a 220 volt leg, and this one is a 120 volt leg. Now I'm inside here, but at the moment I'm telling you, I'm having a lot of power at the moment because it's peaking. You can hear this fan running at the moment. So, you know, I have a steady voltage going on right now. So I don't know if you can see through the zoom of the camera there. But anyhow, this is what going on at the moment with these machines. See, I'll show you what going on. You can go around the system. That's the load and that's temperature. That's the, see, so I have 65 volt coming in to this machine at the moment. So it's charging up my battery in the case here. I have battery inside here. So anyhow, this will be 220 leg. This is the 110 leg. So I have to still put some more device in here to control. This for the 220 side. This will be the 110 side. You might wonder why I have so much breaker will be on this board. I'm not the one going to monitor this board. So if you call me and say you have a problem, I can turn to you and say, okay, go and switch off the battery. There will be labor. If you notice, this one have a red on it. This one have a red on it. So if I say switch off the one with the red lacing, you know, this is the blue one. So it's battery. But this machine, you don't have to use battery. You can go straight from the solar panel. You can take in at least 90 DC volt. From 45 to 90 DC volt. So you just put this solar panel wire up here and program up it, and that's it. So these are these now. This one is the inverter, which deal with everything with the battery side for that. So now I didn't explain and show you this. This is an internet. I'll make a plug it in. You push it up like this. You see it now? So that one you can monitor it from with your phone and see what going on. You don't have to come and looking on the screen. You can do it with that and check what going on. So these are the inverter now. So you have two leads up here, which this is what you connect your reading from. Okay, your CC clamp go on these. So you have internal and external. These are for either the battery or that. So everything will be setting on this board. I'm deciding I might change out this one and put one complete one here, which I can, instead of having all these there, I could use this one here, which I can put your phone to charge, and these unit will be in it. So I'll just have less unit box here. Depends on what I'm considered to do. But I'm still waiting on some bits to finish up the unit. So these unit, I can recommend anyone to these unit, because this one I have it what? It's going to be 2 here. Going 2 here. Don't never fail me. Everything is okay with it. It has 2 fan at the bottom. Make I try to. This one no bolt up as yet because I just get it. See, you have 2 large fan at the bottom there. I can see, yeah, see, 2 fan, and that's your current. That's the outlet. And internal. See, internal and external. So I'm using the internal, and this is the battery. This uses a Wi-Fi to monitor it as well, but I don't have to monitor it. I'm set it, so I don't have to do that. So you can see exactly what's going on here. So what the main reason of saying this to you people is not really for explain to the people for the UK purpose at the moment. I'm talking about the Caribbean country, which you don't know, in my country, Jamaica, we have a lot of problems down there with the JPS system. I'm telling you, I have a lot of problem. I can't understand. You don't use the current, you got to pay for it. Even when you don't use it, you're getting some serious bill. I'm not talking about monkey bill, I'm talking about bills. Right? And you don't pay it in time, to get charged again. You're paying some people paying some serious bill down there. And you know, I don't know why. I don't know why. So what happened? People running on like a little shop. And when the little profit you make, you have to put it out back in bill. When you're done and sell your things and you get JPS bill and you see 20,000, 25,000, you're wondering why you're doing what? Running a little fridge and a little light bulb. Shop don't open right during the night. So how your bill is like that? They don't care. They don't care about poor people. The poor will always be poor and the richer should be richer. So we all know that. People raising like some chicken. In case you buy 100 chicken and you decide to raise it, to sell it, turn over a profit, the little profit have to go back to JPS. Come on, look into yourself. You're not making nothing. See, if you make 3,000 profit and your light bill come to 4,000, you got to pay it. You can't buy another 100 chicken, you have to buy 50 or 75. Now you get yourself few panel. You don't have to be expensive. You can get yourself 2 panel. Even 1 big panel, but you know, I would claim like 2 300 watt panel or 2 270 watt panel. Stick it on the roof. Get yourself a nice little inverter. Get yourself LED 12 volt floodlight, which I have on this shed at the moment. These lights just continue run night and day. Put them in a chicken coop. You have no problem. You have no JPS to pay for that. Use it on your shop, you have no problem to pay for that. You just, when you make as much profit, you can just buy 2 backup battery. So if you're in your shop and the light go boom and chip out, your thing chip in, because you know, that's how we set up. Till a little more, you can take your shop off the grade. If you don't want to take your house off it because you're going to have more battery to back up, take your shop off the grid. Because shop only open certain times, so during the day your liquor them will be still freezing, your meat will be still okay, during the night will be still okay. If your system go down, normally you're going to put a transfer switch. So if your system go down and cannot push the amount of current, JPS will just click over back until your system is up back. You click out back for JPS. That's what it done.